Vibrolux amp. Complaint: vintage channel does not have as much oomph as the custom channel. And I verified this on a dummy load with a scope, sine wave, and measuring the amplitude. Vintage channels, about 40% less on the output. Got 710 millivolts here. Because you're putting a louder signal into the vintage channel, you're going to have 1.2 volts here, which is 1200 millivolts. So they want you to put in a lot more audio into the bottom channel, because by the time it gets through the tone stack, 37 millivolts, 37 millivolts. So by the time it gets through the tone stack, it's the same volume as the other channel, but you have to start out louder at the beginning on the vintage channel. Alright, we're going to do one last set of tests. 366 versus 366. And our output is about 2.8 volts AC. 2.8 volts. .03. It's about half. Gonna crank. If we crank the treble up to 10. We go to 2.7. Let's go back to the custom. 2.8. So they're almost the same. By putting the treble on 10. Treble on 6 versus treble on 10 give you the same volume in both channels. It's crazy. 2.8. 2.7.